Hey guys, my name is Krishna. Thank you for joining me in this new video. What we're going to see is how you can delete an application that you no longer need here on CloudWays. So CloudWays is a web host. I think it's probably one of the best right now. If you're already on CloudWays, great. If you do not have an account yet, you might see in the description over here, I have a link provided for you, and as well as a code that's going to provide you with 10% off for the first 3 months. So let's get back in here. So let's say you have a server, and within that server you have a few applications that are already here and you want to delete one. So it's really easy. Over here you have three buttons that you can see over here that's going to provide you more options. Once you click here, it gives you the option to either clone an app set up staging for that application, right? And I have another video that talks a little bit more about cloning and creating. So basically just make another copy of that application, right? But you also have over here delete, where you actually delete that application. Before we do that, so it's very simple. Before we do that, I just want to mention over here that you always, so within a server, you always need to have at least one application. So you cannot come up, we cannot come up here and actually delete both of them. And actually let's do that. It might take a little bit of time, but so over here I'm going to I'm going to say delete, and usually what it's going to do is going to provide you with a confirmation that you actually want to delete that, which is great. So I just need to come up here and just click on delete, and it also let you know that for the next 15 days they will keep a backup. Maybe later on you realize, oh, you know what, that was the wrong application, or I should not have deleted that. You have 15 days to actually go ahead and try to get back that application. But as well, if you follow some of the videos that I posted there, I recommend actually setting up backup yourself in case something like that happens. So I can come up here, click delete and submit. It's gonna take a little while. So over here it's letting me know that it's gonna take about 2 minutes. Let me pause it and let me come back when this is done. Alright guys, so we're back. It basically took about 30-45 seconds there. The application has been uninstalled. So if I come back here to applications, you see that it is no longer, it's no longer here. If I go and try to delete this, you're gonna see it should prop up another notification letting me know that I'm not gonna be able to actually delete that. There should always be one application. You can't delete the only application on the server. You will need to add another application first to delete the current application. So that's what I just wanted to show you, and this is how you can go ahead and delete an application that you're no longer gonna use on CloudWays. But just keep in mind, um, you can have several applications here. It doesn't cost you anything above what you're already paying for the server. So, you know, that's just something to keep in mind. Thank you.